Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, hi, hello, my name is Brianna, also known as BFT Post, and for those who aren't, thank you so much for coming back. Today is a wig installation featuring Outre hair. This is their lace front wig in Elodie. This is a 12-inch T-part wig and the color is strawberry blonde. And I decided to match the hair with this, soft glam red lip. It's honestly giving like, Hollywood glamour. In this video, you're going to see me rock two type of, looks with this wig. This style, which I have, is straight, and then the next style will be like bumped ends, just to show you the versatility of this hair. But if you guys want to know how I got this install, then keep on watching. So this is the unit right here. I think I'm gonna call her Goldilocks. That's what it's given. It's given Goldilocks and 3 bears. It's a T-part wig. I think I'm going to be plucking the part so it could be a little more distinctive. But as for now, I'm just gonna be taking some foundation and applying it to the little strip of lace here. I'm going to be using Got2B freeze spray and styling gel to apply my wig. Okay, so I'm letting the hair tie on my head for like about 5 to 10 minutes. I'm gonna be turning on my hot comb real soon so I can fix this part right here, make it a little flat, and start styling the hair. I know it's looking a little crazy, but this is a really like trust the process type video right now. This is what it looks like with the lace cut up. I know you guys can see that discoloration, so I'm going to be taking my cream foundation and just using a brush to blend that in. It says it could take up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, so I'm going to try that. I wanted to try the style on here, but I think I might just curl it, bump the ends. Okay, so I may not be able to show the whole thing, but what I plan to do on the whole head, so I'm going to show you one section, is straighten the hair. I think my straightener right now is on 300 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to straighten the hair so it's completely straight and just bump the ends. Like that, and do it for the whole head. Okay, so this is a finished look. I decided to do a, I want it to be like a blonde bombshell with a red lip. It's giving very much Hollywood glamour. But let's talk about the hair. So as I mentioned before, this hair is a T-part wig, so it's a 13 by 6 by 1 sort of type of situation. So it's hard to do versatile parts because it only comes in one way. And the part itself wasn't very distinctive when I received it out the pack, which is why I decided to pluck it. In terms of taking heat, the hair does take heat. It claims to take up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, but I only set my straightener to about 300 or 340 and it did the job. Because it's blonde hair, it's much more easier to blend into the skin. I feel as though because it's a T part, I don't have that much space to play with when it comes to the hairline and plucking or making little baby hairs, which is why I opted for a natural hairline and then maybe like one makeshift little edge right here, because if I did choose to bring out hair and make some baby hairs, I feel like that the illusion of a natural hairline would be lost and you would most likely see the tracks underneath this wig. So that's the only downside, but I think that's the downside generally when it comes to T-part wigs. It's just the fact that there's not much versatility with parting. This is a beautiful unit. I just wish they had the option of having this unit in a 13 by 6 frontal, because I feel like I could have been way more experimental with the hairline as well as baby hairs. Anyways, thank you so much to Outre Hair for sending me this unit. And if you guys liked this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one.